Hi, welcome to MathWiz. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve logarithmic equations. In order to solve logarithmic equations, we need some rules of logarithms. So first of all, we'll go through rules of logarithm. So let's see what are the rules of logarithm. Let's start with here. I have listed out here. So let's see. Rule number one. If y equal to a power x, then x can be written as log y base a. So exponential equation we can convert into logarithmic equations, and this is how we can do. If y equal to a power x, then x equal to log y base a. Okay. Number two, log a base a equal to 1. What does it mean? Whatever log of value you are taking, if you have the same base, that means that value will be 1. See how? Suppose if I take log 10 and here 10, base 10 and parameter also 10, that value will be always 1. Whatever. Log 5 base 5, this is also 1. So if base and parameter of log both are same, value of the log will be 1. Okay. So let's see the next rule. Before that, let me clear this. Log 1 base a equal to 0. So log 1 for whatever base always will be 0. Log a base a power x. Log a power x base a equal to x. A log x base a equal to x. These rules you need to remember. Log xy means x into y base a equal to log x plus log y with base a. This is called multiplication law. So log xy, x into y, if base is a, then log x base a plus log y base a. What about the division law? Log x divided by y base a, in that case we need to subtract. So log x base a minus log y base a. This is called division law. Log x to the power m base a equal to m log x base a. So m comes here before the log. That power shifted there before it. So this is called power law. So you need to remember all these laws so that it will be helpful in solving the logarithmic equations. And these laws will not be given in the formula booklet in the exam. Okay. Now we have gone through the rules. We'll see how to apply these rules when solving logarithmic equations. Now this is also a very important point. Since log x base a only exists for x greater than 0. What does it mean? Log ax is defined only for x greater than 0. That means parameter of log should be always positive. Log is not defined for negative values. Keep in mind. And for a greater than 0 means base also should be greater than 0, and that should not be equal to 1. Base should not be equal to 1. So it is essential when solving equations involving logs that all roots are checked in the original equation. So whenever we are solving the equation and whatever values of x we got, we should always check whether it is working in the original equation or not. and then only we should write the final solution. I will show you here now 3 examples. Let's start with the number 1. So it says solve 2x plus 2 base 8 equal to log 2x plus 19 base 8. Now you can see here both side we have log, but difference here is on the left side before log we have 2 multiplier. So what we will do now, we will apply the power rule to shift this 2 to this bracket here. So what can be written? Log base 8 x plus 2 square is equal to log this side as it is 2x plus 19. Okay. Now both side we have single term in log. So log will be cancelled out and we'll write the terms without log. So we get x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2x plus 19. Okay. Now let us expand the bracket. We will get x square plus 4x plus 4, that is equal to 2x plus 19. We will bring all the terms one left side and combine the like terms. So we get x square plus 2x minus 15, and that is equal to 0. Now we have got a quadratic equation. We can solve by factorization method or we can solve by quadratic formula. Here this is factorizable, so I will be using factorization method, and easily it can be factorized. X plus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. This gives us x plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 3. So here we got two values of x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 3. So now we need to check whether these two values are working in the original equation or not, because log is defined only for positive values. Okay. So if I take x equal to 5, let us check. When x equal to 5, sorry, minus 5, we will get log 2 log 8 minus 5 plus 2, that is equal to 2 log 8. Here we are getting minus 3. Now see, the parameter in the bracket for the log, we have got negative value. So this is not defined. Okay. What does it mean? Solution is only x equal to 3. Now we can check for 3 also to confirm. If we put here in the first bracket here x 3 plus 2 5 here, and 3 to 6 plus 19 25. So both side we got parameter positive. In one bracket we are getting 5, other bracket we are getting 25. So they are both are defined. So x equal to 3 is the solution, not x equal to minus 5. This is not. So x equal to minus 5 is not a solution. Okay. So we are done with this. Let's take the next question now. Solve 4 log 2 base x minus log 4 base x equal to 2. Okay. Now here there are two terms with log on one side and there is a subtraction sign. If you see the rules, where is the subtraction involved in log? Division law. Check this one. So how can we write this using this law? Look at this. We can write, first of all, we'll apply the power rule because 4 is here. So 4 will be shifted here. So we can write log of 2 to the power 4 base x minus log base x 4, and that is equal to 2. Now apply the division law or quotient law, then it becomes log x 2 to the power 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. This implies that log base x, if you simplify 2 power 4 divided by 4, we get 4, that is equal to 2. Now this single logarithm term, so we can convert this into exponential equation. How it happens? See, x goes here and it becomes base of 2. We can write 4 equal to x square. So that can be written as x square equal to 4. So this implies that x equal to plus minus, right? Once again, we have got two values, x equal to plus 2, x equal to minus 2. Let us check whether it will work or not. As we can see in this equation, x is a base of the log here, and base can never be negative of a log. We learned the rule for that. Base is always positive. That means solution will be only x equal to 2. So since logarithms only exist for positive bases, x equal to minus 2 is not a solution. So what is the solution? So x equal to 2 is the only solution. Okay. The third example. If we see this equation, it is in some other form. Here we will have to apply extra strategy, and let us see what we can do. First of all, you see here x square given. So let's take that power 2 before the log. So let's rewrite the equation. 4 log 2 base log x square minus, now if we power this 2 goes here, 2 to the 4, we get log 2 log x base 2, okay, and that is equal to 3. Now if you notice, we have log x base 2 here, log x base 2 here in both the terms, but one is a square, other is power 1. What that mean? We can write a quadratic in terms of other variable. So let's take, let y equal to log x base 2. Then therefore what will be the equation? 4y square minus 4y equal to 3, and this can be written as 4y square minus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic in y, so we can solve for y first using a quadratic formula or using factorization method. So I will be using here factorization method. So let us factorize this. 4y square, we can write minus 6y plus 2y, or minus 4y, splitting the middle term. Then minus 3 equal to 0. Now what is in the, let us factorize first two terms, last two terms. So first two terms, 2y is common. So 2y minus 3 in the bracket plus 1 into 2y minus 3, that is equal to 0. This implies that we can write 2y plus 1 into 2y minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that 2y plus 1 equal to 0, or 2y minus 3 equal to 0. This gives us y equal to minus 1 by 2, and this gives us y equal to 3 by 2. We got y value. We are solving for x because equation is in x. So what to do next? We have substituted y for log x base 2. So let us replace that. Now log, in place of log, sorry, y, will write log x base 2 equal to minus half. Okay. We have to solve for x. So x equal to 2 to the power minus half. That means that can be written as 1 by 2 power half. A half means root. So we can write x equal to 1 by root 2. one solution. Let us find the other one. Here for log x 3 by 2. So gives x equal to 2 raised to the power 3 by 2. 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power, sorry, 2 root 2. So what does it mean? X equal to 2 root. So these both are solutions for this equation. X equal to 1 by root 2 and x equal to 2 root 2. Okay. So this was all about how to solve the logarithmic equations. In this video, we saw rules of logarithm, and then we saw how to apply those rules to solve the logarithmic equations. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe so that you will not miss the coming videos. Thank you.